eating this. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So a lot of people have been asking me to make more vlog style videos. So I thought today I'd do a little vlog style what I eat in a day. So firstly, we're going to be making breakfast. For breakfast, I was thinking of making my usual scrambled eggs. So I'm going to make scrambled eggs and I'm going to show you guys the process and just vlog what I eat throughout this whole day. 2 eggs, pepper, mushrooms, hummus for my carrots. These carrots are the best tasting carrots when they have like the stem on them. Avocado. I love to use the sprays from Vilgain. They have loads of different types of sprays. This one is the organic coconut oil one. They also have ghee, avocado oil, and extra virgin olive oil. And these are all so good and convenient for cooking because you don't have to waste loads of oil in a pan. And they're also really good if you're counting calories because they're much easier to track. Literally, you just spray it in. And there you go. Coconut oil and avocado oil both have high smoking points, so they're good to use for actual cooking on a pan. Whereas olive oil, it has a lower smoking point, so I prefer to use this extra virgin olive oil from Vilgain and just pour it over salads and vegetables. It makes sure that you're actually getting the health benefits from the olive oil too. Can't help falling in love with you. I forgot to press record when I was assembling the plate. I was about to crash out when I found that out. But here we have my lovely breakfast and I'm just going to be showing you guys the supplements I take every morning. Vitamin D3, omega-3 fish oil, K2, really important to take with the vitamin D3 to make sure that the calcium goes to your bones, not to your veins, and turmeric, because it's anti-inflammatory. So I'm just going to bite a carrot. We've got my beautiful breakfast with me now. I'm telling you guys, these carrots are actually superior when you get them like with the green stem still on them. They are so yummy. They're like sweeter and they have much more flavor. Always eat your fiber first. I always try to eat my carrots first. Even if I don't eat all of them, just start with the fiber because the fiber then creates a lining in your stomach so that then when you eat carbs, it's going to go into your bloodstream much slower. So the blood sugar spike won't be as big. But yeah, today I just have a day at home working, doing a lot of uni work because I have a formative assignment due tomorrow. I really hope you guys like the video quality on this camera. From what I've seen so far, I do like it. By the way, this bread I got from a gluten-free bakery called Copland in London, in Covent Garden. It's a full gluten-free bakery with pastries, sandwiches, loaves, cakes, bread. It's so amazing. Scrambled eggs. I will never get bored of this breakfast. For lunch, I always think about what I'm gonna have for lunch whilst eating breakfast because I love food. Okay guys, I'm about to go for a walk and I'm just gonna be eating this apple as a little snack. Literally I had breakfast like what, 20 minutes ago? But my mum bought loads of apples from the Polish shop and they're the best, like the most crunchy, juicy apples ever. And they were literally just looking at me from that basket and I had to eat one. So I'm gonna eat this one whilst on my walk. Okay guys, so we're going to be making my matcha now. This is the matcha that I use. I actually use the ceremonial matcha from Vilgain. This one right here is the organic ceremonial matcha. And this one, actually, I'm not joking guys, one of the best matcha powders I've tried. I'm not even saying it just because it's Vilgain. I am being honest. I really recommend you try it if you do like matcha or if you're looking for a good matcha powder. This is the coconut milk I'm using right now. I do also like to use the Plenish coconut milk, but both of these brands have really good clean ingredients, no seed oils, no added sugar. Again, it's time for lunch now. So for lunch, I'm going to be making my yogurt bowl. We're going to be using my favorite coconut natural yogurt from M&S, and I'm also going to add some chocolate protein powder from Vilgain. I'm also recording for my TikTok right now, a little bit of behind the scenes. The fruit that I want, yes. Okay, so I want figs. That is a baby fig. Blueberries, banana. I'm super excited. I'm really craving it right now. That's the Vilgain protein powder I'm using. last meal of the day, which is dinner. For dinner, I'm going to be making this beautiful purple sweet potato in the oven with a beautiful salmon fillet. I know it is healthier to eat wild salmon, but at least this is organic. I feel like my kitchen is always so messy. The day I get to have my own kitchen and it's just always... bruh. The day I get to have my own kitchen and just always keep it clean is going to be a beautiful day. Look at this beauty. Look what just came in the mail. It's a package from Superdry. I got sent clothes for free from Superdry and I got to choose them. We can do a little unboxing whilst we are waiting for the food to cook. Right, back to the cooking segment. Okay, welcome to my room, guys. It is time to unbox the Superdry. This is not related to the video at all. It's not a paid partnership or anything. Literally, I just got sent clothes and I want to unbox it with you guys. So they sent me 2 outfits. Firstly, we've got, oh, the material. I've never actually owned anything from Superdry, so firstly, we've got these really beautiful, oh, look at these brown flares. Look at how cute they are. And they have like Superdry there and these are just so cute. I'm really excited because I think these are going to be perfect for traveling and like long haul flights. This sweatshirt, I love sweatshirts. It's perfect. I want to pair this sweatshirt because it's like a pine green color. Just look at this color. Guys, you can't tell me that's not my color. Look at this beautiful sweatshirt. It says USA and then it has a little USA flag on there. The material is amazing. Look how perfectly I think the colors will go. I think it's gonna be a really cute outfit. Ooh, these are so cool. So I got these kind of track pants. They're really cool and they're like flared at the bottom and it says Superdry on the leg there. You can see, really cute. And I think these are also gonna be perfect for long haul flights. I'm definitely gonna be taking these on my trip. And to go with these, I chose this really cute top and I hope it is not too big. Because with bottoms, I don't really have a problem with bottoms fitting me. It's tops, they're always too big, even if I get extra small because I've got no cleavage. That's why. It's hard for it to actually fit. Oh, the material is so nice. This is gonna fit. This is gonna flipping fit. Look at this really cute like pointel kind of shirt and it's got these little buttons and it has this little Superdry thing right there. Guys, this with these, yes, that's my little unboxing. I'm now going to probably do a voiceover for my TikTok and maybe go for a quick walk whilst my food is cooking. We'll see how it goes time-wise. I'm really excited for dinner. I've been craving sweet potato, purple sweet potato specifically, for so long. Also, I really hope you guys actually like this vlog so far. And if something, I can literally just record more of these for you guys. I'll see you for dinner. Last thing we're going to try together is the sweet potato. A little bit undercooked, but still really good. Anyway guys, that is everything I'm going to eat today. I am going to the cinema later with my cousin, but I don't think I'm going to eat anything there because I'm not really feeling popcorn. If you'd like any more videos like these, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye!